Hello, niaje watu wangu. This is Charles. Welcome to the Maranga show. Nimewamisi sana. I hope mmekuwa you've been doing okay. But I would like to ask you people, tafadhali wachana na Wakisii. Wachana na Wakisii tafadhali. I know it's unfortunate that terrible, terrifying things are happening around Kisii, and I would like to say that it's very unfortunate, and we pray that those families that have been affected, we pray that they get courage to go through these tumultuous moments. It looks like we are just reacting to situations and issues affecting people generally, and it's about time we had a conversation and act instead of reacting. We need to act to prevent such things from happening again. So tunaomba wazee tafadhali, rangalie barasa chiefs and abatureti chiefs abagambi n'abaruti kamuranje rangeria chibarasa kiri twagatwarire kare tukwanire tonogera mangana aya tonogerane, so that we can tame the spirit that's going around our community. We have seen terrible things. Watu wanang'olewa macho, watu wanatolewa kidneys, watu wanachomwa na acid, watu wanapiwa mapanga, and it's a cocktail of things that have been boiling for a long time, and now mvua imeanza kutunyea. Vile wanasema aisifuye mvua imemunyea. So looks like it's a cocktail of things happening, things affecting our people. Na vitu zimefanyika nyingi, they are affecting young people. Unajua watu wamekuwa jobless sana, and the government labda imeabandon watu. Our families are struggling to put food on the table. Shamba imekuwa kidogo Kisii, na kila mtu anataka shamba because that's the only investment. Hakuna kitu ingine. Shamba imekuwa kidogo. Kila mtu saa hii place anaweza pata shamba ni a place to just build a house. Hakuna place unaweza fanya agricultural activities. So we can't do farming as a business. So it's about time we begin having a conversation about how to go forward, how to help our young people earn a living, how to help our young people help their families. Sasa unajua, msilaumu Wakisii. Kila mtu saa hii ako na YouTube channel yake. So we are over reporting, probably I would say. Kila mtu ana report, kila mtu ni reporter saa hii Kisii. Maybe that's why we have a bunch of terrible things, and we have been on the limelight. Tumekuwa kwa mtandao sana. Bad things happening from Kisii, but Kisii is still the green, peaceful place. So bado unaweza visit, but still we need to hold a conversation throughout the country Kenya, because things are happening. Juzi mmeona watu wanauza mbwa kama mutura, wengine wanauza mbwa kama samosa. Another man was hacked by his son in Kakamega, and things are just happening. Nasa anaua mtu Nyamira. So it's a Kenyan problem now. It's no longer a Kisii problem. So we need to have a serious conversation how to help our young people get meaningful employment, meaningful sources of income. Juu vitu zina happen tu. In the past year tumeona watu wakiuliwa, people are scamming people online, people are stealing, just beginning from the bottom up, kuanzia huko chini. Kuna wezi huko chini, watu wanalua huko chini, and on a more white collar scale tumeona watu wakiscam watu billions of money. So it's a bigger problem than we are able to discuss in one sitting, and if we are not careful, we are going to be reacting to more of such happenings in the near future, because wase hawana job, wase, so many people are idle, and they have to eat, they have to feed their families, and wanasema an hungry man is a angry man. So mtu ana food ni mtu amekasirika. They can do anything to gain a livelihood and to maintain their lives. Juvila nimesema shamba imekuwa kidogo, and I've seen people from different shows discussing about this. Maana juzi watu wa diaspora wamekuwa scammed, walipeana deposit ya land and there was no land anywhere. So people are desperate, and they are resorting to desperate means to earn a living, and that's because people are jobless. And it looks like the government is not doing anything. They are not supporting businesses that can support people. Everybody is out there to fulfill their personal interests. They don't care about human life. They don't care about anybody. So I think it's about time we came together. Nakumbuka ile siku za kitambo when we siku za Moi, wakati wa maziwa ya Nyayo, maybe we were a smaller population and it was easier to feed us. Sasa tumekuwa wengi, but the source of food and source of income remains the same. Nothing is changing on the economic scale, so vitu zimekuwa ngumu wase. Everybody is struggling. We need to have elders, chiefs. The counties should set up meetings and mlete kamkunji, watu waongee, so that we curb this disaster before it swallows all of us. Juu imekuwa ngumu. If you are not infected, you are affected, and if you are not affected, it's coming your way. So we need to support each other, and the only way we can do that is to have a conversation. Watu wafungue roho, tujue what's going on, because it's alarming. Watu wanakufa vibaya, and juzi you have seen gonorrhea is becoming a pandemic. Just people are doing things, people are desperate. So now karibisha Maranga show. If you have anything to add, or you want to have a discussion about this, we can plan for live shows tuongee, because nobody is willing to create a platform for us to come together. We can go our own ways and create platforms around the country to save our people. Nawashukuru sana, and subscribe to Maranga show, FC Media. Just everywhere ukiingia YouTube ni FC Media, Facebook ni Charles Maranga, ukiingia Twitter Charles Maranga, and we'll be here having conversations and talking about issues, economic, political, social, cultural, tusaidie watu wetu ama namna gani. We don't know everything, but we are trying to know stuff so that we help ourselves ama namna gani. See you next time. Nawashukuru sana.